If you've been looking for a coffee maker that handles both ground coffee and pods without compromise, this might be the one that finally makes sense. Welcome to Buy with Confidence. Today, we're reviewing the Ninja DualBrew Pro specialty coffee maker, model CFP307. This is a dual-system machine that brews both ground coffee and K-cup pods, offers 13 different size options, and includes a built-in milk frother. It's designed for households that want flexibility without owning multiple machines. The purchase link is in the description below. Reason number 1, true brewing flexibility across 13 sizes. The standout feature here is genuine versatility. You get 5 ground coffee brew sizes ranging from a small cup to an extra-large travel mug, for carafe options that go from a quarter carafe up to a full 12 cups, and 4 pod sizes between 6 and 12 ounces. This means whether you're brewing a single serving before work or a full pot for weekend guests, the machine adapts to your actual needs. The system uses a permanent filter for grounds that preserves natural coffee oils, delivering a fuller-bodied cup similar to what you'd expect from a French press. For busy mornings, the pod brewing is faster than leading Keurig models on startup, and it's fully compatible with standard one-hole K-cups. Reason number 2, for brew styles that actually deliver different results, beyond size. This machine offers 4 distinct brew styles: classic, rich, over ice, and specialty. Each one adjusts temperature and brewing technique to optimize flavor for that specific preparation. The over ice setting, for example, brews at a higher concentration so your coffee doesn't taste diluted when poured over ice. The specialty brew creates a super-rich concentrate strong enough to serve as the base for lattes, cappuccinos, and macchiatos. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, this flexibility means you're not locked into one coffee experience. You can make a straightforward morning cup with classic, switch to rich for a bolder afternoon brew, or experiment with coffeehouse-style drinks on weekends. Reason number 3, independent hot water system and built-in frother. Ninja separated the hot water dispenser from the coffee brewing path, which eliminates any risk of flavor cross-contamination. You get 2 temperature settings, hot and boil, so you can use it for tea, instant oatmeal, soup, or hot cocoa without affecting your coffee quality. The built-in frother is another practical addition. It folds away when not in use, works with both hot and cold milk or milk alternatives, and removes easily for cleaning. This means you can froth milk for a latte right at the machine without needing a separate appliance or cleanup station. Reason number 4, long-term value for multi-drinker households. If your household has different coffee preferences, this machine reduces the need for multiple devices. One person can brew a single-serve pod, while another makes a full carafe of ground coffee later in the day. The permanent filter saves money over time compared to disposable paper filters, and the ability to use both pods and grounds gives you flexibility based on convenience or cost. The included Smart Scoop, frother, glass carafe, and K-cup adapter mean everything you need is in the box. For families or shared living situations where coffee habits vary, the upfront investment pays off in reduced clutter and ongoing convenience. Final verdict: the Ninja DualBrew Pro CFP307 isn't the smallest or simplest coffee maker, and it does take up counter space. If you only drink one type of coffee one way, a more specialized machine might suit you better. But for households that value flexibility, whether that's switching between pods and grounds, brewing different sizes throughout the day, or making specialty drinks at home, this machine handles it all with consistent quality. It's well-suited for busy families, coffee enthusiasts who like variety, and anyone tired of compromising between convenience and control. Take a look at the link in the description, read through the customer experiences, and decide if this level of versatility fits your routine. Thanks for watching Buy with Confidence.